have put half liter of milk for boiling. We'll put it to boil once and then add our rice. So this is the rice I'm going to use. These are called GUDD rice, which are very famous in Bengalis. If you do not get that, you can use your regular rice also. I'm going to wash it and keep it until the milk boils. So the milk now has come to a boil. I'm going to give it a stir so that it doesn't froth and come out. Quick tip, if you leave the spoon like this, the milk will never come out. And I'm going to add the rice into it now. So I'm adding the rice to it now. And we'll have to keep stirring this and cook the rice in the milk. So this is how the rice looks right now, if you can see. So right now my rice is almost cooked. If you can see here. I'm just going to wait for it to now get soft and the milk to get a little thick. Not a little, as much thick as. So a quick tip for you guys is, when the milk and rice fall together, this is when your rice is getting cooked. Earlier, if you saw, the milk used to fall down and rice were stationary in my spoon. Now the rice is also falling along. It's almost there. So this is completely cooked, and now we are going to mash or break the gur into very small pieces. I'm going to use a cloth and a rolling pin for that. So before adding the gur, I have switched off the gas. Make sure you do that, otherwise your milk will separate. See, the milk will change color. So this is what the color looks now in the real tube light. Earlier it was the yellow light, so it wasn't really showing up the actual colors there. So this is how the color is changing. And you can check the sweetness, how much ever sweet you want. I think for us this is enough. I'm going to add the chopped cashews into it, and the soaked raisins. So the black ones, they are the blackberries. Thank you. Blackberries there. This is how cool and then give it to